Welcome to Useful Words. Hi, my name is Leroy Glover, and on this channel, we're going to explore useful words. In this video, we're going to share the law of opportunity. Crash course. Opportunities usually come dressed in work clothes. Brian Tracy. What if I told you that the law of opportunity is real and accessible to everyone? That it's not some magical, untouchable force that only a lucky few can harness. It's true. The law of opportunity is within reach for anyone who is willing to work for it. Did you know that the law of opportunity is one of the most powerful laws in the universe? This law dictates that we are constantly being presented with opportunities, and it's up to us to take advantage of them. Think about the last time you had a great opportunity knock on your door. Maybe it was a new job opportunity, a chance to travel on an amazing destination, or an opportunity to network with some powerful people. Whatever it was, you probably felt pretty lucky, didn't you? You probably heard the saying that opportunity only knocks once. Well, that's not really true. Opportunity is always knocking, but most people don't hear it because they're not paying attention. One of the best pieces of advice I ever heard was to start looking for opportunities instead of waiting for them. It sounds simple, but it's amazing how many people wait around for things to happen to them instead of going out and making things happen. The world is full of opportunity, but you have to be proactive if you want to take advantage of it. The law of opportunity teaches us that it is our responsibility to make the most of the opportunities we are given. If we don't take advantage of them, we will miss out on the chance to achieve our goals. And the law of opportunity states that you should never miss an opportunity to improve your skills. This is especially important in the workplace, where you are constantly being evaluated. Here are some tips on how to keep getting better. Number 1, seek feedback from your boss and colleagues. This will help you identify areas where you need to improve. Number 2, take on new challenges. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. This is how you will grow and develop new skills. Number 3, be proactive. Don't wait for someone to tell you what to do. Take the initiative and find ways to improve your work. Number 4, be quick to learn. When you make a mistake, learn from it and move on. Don't dwell on your mistake. Instead, focus on how you can do better next time. And number 5, practice, practice, practice. The more you do something, the better you become at it. So don't be afraid to put in the extra effort to improve your skills. By following these tips, you can make sure that you are always improving and expanding your skill sets. Never miss an opportunity to get better, and you will soon find yourself at the top of your game. What is the law of opportunity? This may be a question you have asked yourself, or you may have heard mentioned in passing. But what does it actually mean? Simply put, the law of opportunity is about seizing opportunity when it arises. It is about taking advantage of chances that come your way and capitalizing on them. When you understand and apply this law, amazing things can happen in your life. The law of opportunity is one of the most important laws in life. It states that you will get what you want out of life as long as you are willing to work for it. This means that if you want something bad enough, you will find ways to get it. You don't have to be born with privilege or luck. You can create your own opportunities by working hard and seizing every chance that comes your way. What is opportunity? Webster's dictionary defines it as a set of circumstances that makes it possible to do something. Opportunity is what we make of it. It is up to us to take advantage of the windfalls that come our way or let it pass by us. The law of opportunity states that those who are prepared and take action will be successful. The law of opportunity is the belief that opportunity will present themselves to those who are prepared to take advantage of them. This law is often cited in the context of career success, as it suggests that those who work hard and develop their skills will eventually be rewarded with promotions and other opportunities. However, the law of opportunity can also be applied to other areas of life, such as relationships and personal growth. Those who are open to new experiences and willing to take risks are more likely to find love and happiness than those who play it safe. Similarly, those who are always learning and growing will eventually reach their full potential, while those who are stagnant will never realize their true potential. In short, the law of opportunity is a powerful reminder that we create our own destiny by preparing ourselves for success. We can make our dreams a reality. How do opportunity and timing play into success? While some people might attribute success to hard work and natural talent, the reality is that opportunity and timing often play a much bigger role. Just consider the example of a young musician who finally gets their big break after years of struggling to make it in the industry. If they had been born even a few years earlier or later, they might have never had the same opportunity to achieve success. In many cases, success is simply a matter of being in the right place at the right time. Of course, this isn't to say that hard work and talent aren't important. But without the right opportunity and timing, even the most gifted individuals may never realize their full potential. There's an old saying that timing is everything. And when it comes to opportunity, that may well be true. After all, an opportunity that arrives at the wrong time can be just as difficult to seize as one that never arrives at all. But what exactly does timing have to do with success? Well, let's say you're looking for a new job. You send out a dozen of resumes and finally land an interview. But the interview is scheduled for the same day as your child's soccer game. You can either reschedule the interview or go to the game. If you choose the latter, you might miss your chance at the job. But if you choose the former, you risk missing an important moment in your child's life. In other words, timing is everything when it comes to opportunities. The key is to identify which opportunities is more likely to lead to success, and then make sure you're in the right place at the right time to seize it. Every person has their own definition of success. For some, it's amassing a great fortune. For others, it's simply leading a content and happy life. No matter what your definition is, there is undoubtedly several factors that contribute to achieving success. Two of the most important factors are opportunity and timing. In today's world, there are endless opportunities to achieve success. Few people know that the law of opportunity is real, and this law dictates that opportunity will knock on your door at least once in your life. It's up to you whether or not to answer that door. If you're prepared, you'll seize the opportunity and be one step closer to reaching your goals. If you're not prepared, then you'll miss out on a chance to change your life for the better. The law states that opportunity knocks once. If you don't answer, it moves on. It's up to you to be prepared and seize the opportunity when it comes knocking. What do Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Oprah Winfrey have in common? Aside from being some of the richest people in the world, they all utilize the law of opportunity to get where they are today. There are many success stories of people who have achieved their goals by seizing opportunities when they presented themselves. For example, Steve Jobs was famously fired from Apple, but he went on to co-found Pixar and became one of the most successful businessmen of all time. Opportunity is always knocking. You just have to be listening for it. And timing is also key. You need to be in the right place at the right time to capitalize on opportunities. There's no question that success requires hard work, dedication, and talent. But opportunity and timing are also key factors in achieving success. Sometimes you have to be in the right place at the right time or take advantage of a chance when it comes your way. So how do you create opportunities for yourself? All it takes is a little bit of determination and creativity. Don't give up on yourself. There's always room for improvement. Start thinking outside the box and don't be afraid to take risks. Keep in mind that a good way to get ahead is to make things happen for yourself. And how can you make sure that you're ready to take advantage of them when they come along? There's no question that opportunities come along once in a while that can be life-changing. If you're not prepared, though, you might miss out on them entirely. Here are a few ways to make sure that you're ready when they do come knocking. Number 1, stay sharp and focused. No one ever got anywhere by slacking off. Keep up the hard work and stay on top of your game. Number 2, keep an open mind. Be open to new possibilities and new experiences. This will help you take advantage of opportunities when they come along. Number 3, stay positive. Believe in yourself and maintain a positive outlook. This will help you seize opportunities when they present themselves. And number 4, be prepared for anything. Make sure you have all your bases covered so that when opportunities do knock, you're ready to answer the door. While it's true that you have to be in the right place at the right time to take advantage of an opportunity, there's more to it than that. Timing is everything when it comes to success. If you're not ready to take advantage of an opportunity when it comes knocking, you'll never be successful. You have to be prepared mentally, emotionally, and physically to take advantage of an opportunity when it arrives. If you're not ready, the opportunity will slip through your fingers. So while opportunities may only knock once, success is a matter of being in the right place at the right time and being prepared to take advantage of the opportunity. How can you create opportunity for yourself? Do you want to get rich? Do you want to be successful? Of course you do. We all do. But unfortunately, many of us are taught the wrong things when it comes to achieving our goals. We're told that if we work hard and follow the right steps, we'll achieve riches and success. And while that may be partially true, there's something else that's just as important. Opportunity. The law of opportunity states that opportunity is created by taking advantage of chances and making the most out of every situation. So how can you make sure you're taking advantage of opportunities when they present themselves? Are you wondering how to take advantage of opportunities in your life? You're not alone. The law of opportunity is one of the most important laws that governs our life, but it can be tricky to understand. What do you want most in life? Many people will say they want success. But what does that actually mean? For some, success might mean having lots of money. For others, it might mean being famous or achieving a certain level of fame. But what if there was another way to be successful? One that involves meaning and purpose instead of just wealth or status. We all want opportunities in life, but unfortunately, not everyone is given the chance to have them. That's why it's so important for you to create opportunities for yourself. Here are some more tips on how to do that. Number 1, get out there and network. Talk to as many people as you can and let them know what you're looking for. Number 2, be willing to take risks. Sometimes you have to put yourself out there and take chances in order to get what you want. Number 3, stay positive and optimistic. Believe in yourself and don't give up on your dreams. Attend industry events, meetups, and trade shows. The more people you meet, the more likely you are to find opportunities that are a good fit for you. Keep your eyes and ears open. Whether you're reading the news or talking to friends, always be on the lookout for potential opportunities. Be prepared to seize opportunities when they arise. Often the difference between success and failure is simply taking action when an opportunity presents itself. There's no doubt that one of the best ways to create opportunities for yourself is to network. And getting out there and meet new people in your industry, attend events, and introduce yourself to as many people as possible. But networking can only take you so far. If you want to really maximize your opportunity, you need to start thinking about how you can create value for others. What unique skills and experiences do you have to offer? How can you help others achieve your goals? By thinking about how you can be of service to others, you'll open up a whole world of possibilities for yourself. So get out there and start networking and creating value for others. The opportunities will follow. Why is it important to recognize opportunity when it arises? Every morning we are given the opportunity to seize the day and make the most of it. We can choose to let yesterday's failures dictate our today, or we can use them as motivation to do better. Regardless of what has happened in the past, each new day is a chance to start fresh and make something great happen. Sometimes we need a little push to get things going. That's where the law of opportunity comes in. And according to this law, opportunity is always knocking, but it's up to us to answer the door. Too often we pass up opportunities that come our way without even realizing it. We may be so focused on what we're doing at the moment or what's going on in our lives that we don't take the time to recognize an opportunity when it presents itself. But taking advantage of opportunity is crucial to achieving success in life. So how can we learn to recognize opportunity when it arrives? By being open-minded and keeping our eyes and ears open for potential opportunities. That's how. Opportunity is often fleeting, and if we don't recognize it when it arises, we may never get another chance. That's why it's so important to be attuned to opportunities as they arise. We might never know when one presents itself, and if we're not paying attention, we can miss it entirely. What can we do to make sure that we don't miss out on potential opportunities? Did you know that the average person has about 25,000 thoughts per day? And out of those 25,000 thoughts, 95% of them are the same thoughts we had yesterday. So what does that mean for us? It means that if we want to change our lives, we have to start recognizing opportunities when it arrives. Because if we keep thinking of the same old thoughts, we'll keep getting the same old results. So how can we learn to recognize opportunities when it comes our way? By paying attention to what makes us feel alive. When something excites us and sparks our curiosity, that's usually a sign that opportunity is knocking. So be on the lookout for those moments of joy and inspiration, because they may just be pointing the way to your next great adventure. Of course, it's not always easy to recognize opportunity when it comes knocking. Sometimes it comes disguised and masquerading as a problem or a challenge. That's why it's important to be attuned to the possibility that life presents us with every day. It's important to be open to new experiences and willing to take risk. Because if we're not, we might just let the opportunity of a lifetime pass us by. I'm Leroy Glover, and I thank you.